Students, in this video we are going to discuss about modular cohesion. Cohesion means the degree of relationship of elements within the module. So the degree of relationship between the elements of a module, how much the elements of a modules are related. So this is called as cohesion. A good software design will have a high coupling and a good software design will have a low coupling and a high cohesion. There should be a low coupling and there should be high cohesion. Low coupling and high cohesion. These are the two features of good software design. Cohesion means a strength of elements within the modules. Types of cohesion: functional cohesion, sequential cohesion, temporal cohesion, logical cohesion, coincidental cohesion, and procedural cohesion. So these are the types of module cohesion. High cohesion is functional cohesion and low cohesion is coincidental cohesion. Functional cohesion means suppose A and B, these two are the elements of a single module. A and B are part of a single functional task. So this is very good reason for them to be contained in the same procedure, because A and B are both are part of the same task. Same task means function is same, operation is same. So A and B are part of a single functional task. This is very good reason for them to be contained in the same procedure. Suppose if A and B are elements of a module. Sequential cohesion, suppose sometimes what happens, an element A outputs some data and which forms the input to the B. So this is a sequential cohesion. A produce the A forms some amount of output that will be treated as that will goes as an input to the element B. So in this, A is an element, B is an element. A forms the output that will be treated as input to the element B. This is sequential cohesion. Both are related to sequentially. B dependent on A. So B is related to A. So this is the very good reason for them to be contained in the same procedure. Because A forms the output, that output will be treated as an input to the element B. This is sequential cohesion. Procedural cohesion. This shows the order of execution. Order of execution means one after the other. Suppose A, B, C. A is one instruction, B is the second instruction, and C is third instruction. First, according to the logic, A has to be executed first, then B has to be executed next, and C has to be executed in the third level. So this is the sequence, order of execution. So we call it as procedural cohesion. So all the three A, B, C instructions or elements are related to the procedural cohesion. So this is called as procedural cohesion. Temporal cohesion means when all tasks are executed in the same time span. If all instructions are executed in the same time span, that is called as temporal cohesion. Logical cohesion. Logical cohesion occurs in modules that contain instructions that appear to be related because they fall into the same logical class of functions. Module means is a set of instructions. Obviously, it contains a number of instructions. So if all the number of instructions fall into the same logic class, means all instructions are part of the same logic. Yes, it's a logical question. Coincidental question means it's unrelated instructions or unrelated elements. When module contains unrelated elements, it is a coincidental question. Unrelated means no relationship to one another. So coincidental cohesion exists in modules that contain instructions that have little relationship to one another or no relationship to one another. So unrelated elements. This is called as coincidental cohesion. So coincident cohesion is the worst possible case of cohesion. We have to avoid this kind of cohesion, otherwise it leads to the many technical problems. So worst case of cohesion is coincidental cohesion. Best case is functional cohesion, logical cohesion, and procedural cohesion, etc. Say a good software design should have a software design should have low coupling and high cohesion nature. Then it will be considered as a good software design. Always good software design leads to the good software product. So cohesion means how the elements of a modules are related. The how the elements of a modules are related, that we call it as cohesion. Thank you.